This is the video that will finally help you fix the SecurityHealthSystray.exe Bad Image error in Windows. If Windows shows this error and your security tray stops working, stay with me because this will make everything very simple. Are you also facing this problem where SecurityHealthSystray.exe shows a bad image, error, and prevents Windows security from opening properly? This usually happens when system files are corrupted, Windows updates fail, or the file itself gets damaged. Many people get frustrated because they cannot access security features, and error messages keep popping up. You may see many solutions online, but most of them are complicated. They tell you to edit registry files, reinstall Windows, or run long command line scripts that are hard to follow. When I faced this problem, those steps wasted my time. But I fixed it with one secret, easy trick that restores SecurityHealthSystray.exe and makes Windows security run normally again. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing this easy trick, just comment down below. I will guide you clearly so anyone can follow it without confusion or risk. And for more simple Windows fixes like this, stay connected with my channel Rexist because I always share easy solutions anyone can use to solve problems fast and safely.